Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here with the trade of the day. And man, I had a lot to pick from, but I'm going to highlight this one first. RELL. This came from the AI, RAI. It actually was alerted two times, okay? 1329 and a 1366, two different strategies alerted RELL. And you can see, the first time we're up 8.74% right now, 5.79. If you miss it the first time, you got in it on the second time. And I wanted to point this out because I'm not saying this was necessarily the easiest trade. It's a little bit choppy and all. You see that bottoming tail right there. But the interesting thing to me is this is an earnings play, all right? And when you look at what the overall market's been doing, first of all, I had a big downturn in the market to begin. Now it's just kind of flattened out. RELL is a classic example of an alpha stock. Trading on its own, not really caring what the rest of the market's doing. It's a tech stock, and tech, having a bit of a resurgence today, a little bit of one. But tech has been beaten up, but it really didn't care. It's in the tech sector. Didn't really care. Didn't care what the market's doing. It is a classic alpha stock, trading on its own, and that's what we really like to try to find. Now I've got to point out the Billy also, BLI. Let me just show you BLI. And the reason is because, come on. There we go. So this was a short at 1074. It's down to 1034. But really what I wanted to show you is, and this is a scan that I'm sharing. If you take a look at this and you take a look at all the alerts that we had, there have been some awesome short alerts. Now, I caution you though, at the beginning of the day, I would not take these because they can be very whippy. Hood and Open and BLI, they were up and down. But once they settle down, and look at this ALGS. I'm going to just show you. ALGS, this is one that I took. 558 on a short. Remember now, it's a $5 stock. 558. I don't have my symbol linking. ALGS, I don't have my symbol linking up. 558, 477. I mean, that is an awesome percentage increase or decrease, of course, or percentage win for you if you took that short. So this is one of the scans that I'm sharing, and I'm telling you, this is if you own short, I can't help you, but I mean, there's some just awesome shorts here. Chris, 431. What did it end up doing? I know this was also another cheap one, but remember now, 431 getting down to 318. That's an incredible percentage decrease. So it's one of the scans I'm sharing. So when you go to my homepage, just go to the scan section and you can take a look at the 10-day daily breakdown, and it is there. I'm loving that one. It's probably right now it's my favorite scan, especially with the market the way what's happening. All right, guys, I can't wait. I want to get back into the trading room. So if you have any questions, email address you can use. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.